आज की शॉर्ट एनालिसिस में हम डिस्कस करेंगे CSX कॉरपोरेशन स्टॉक, that is CSX corporations. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with it there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate buy position before a big upside get trigger. Dear friends, this is an I'm sorry, this is a super jackpot analysis, and it is a sample analysis I am sharing to you all. This kind of breakouts we only share with our platinum members. But to to show you my power of analysis, I am giving you this free of cost. This stock going to rock in another coming weeks. So keep a close watch on it. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was on top where the stock had given a massive downside price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back lower lows. First lower lows here, the second lower lows here, and the third here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got in two major positive signal. The very first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and the second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And now, my dear friends, we will see the most important signal. Before that, we will also check the diversion over here, which is very much important. If you'll see over here, there is a clear cut positive diversion. If you'll see, the price action is tilting on the downside, and the MACD histogram is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got a breakout. So this will going to pump the stock on the upside. And finally, and the most important signal, and that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see over here, there is a beautiful inverted head and shoulder, that this is a positive chart pattern. It's got trigger, and now very soon you will witness the target will be reaching to $37. This will be our first target, which we will mark in green color, and the second target somewhere around to $37.50. So this will be a two major targets on the upside, and before to hit this target, there will be a resistance in between. So there is a possibility that stock may face a rejection near to this neckline, and it may come to retest the neckline, and again it will start the journey on the upper side. And dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. This resistance, so far it wasn't resistance, but now it has turned into an important support because multiple positive factors trigger over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side. This was an area where we have seen lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have witnessed positive diversion between the price action and MACD histogram. And this is an area where we have identified a positive chart structure, inverted head and shoulder pattern. So with due respect to all the positive factors, this area of resistance, this area of neckline earlier was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. My dear friends, this is it for today's analysis. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such breakouts. Thanks, bye bye.